Hello, thanks for checking into the channel. This is what I do during times like this. I decided for a little project to make use of this kind of dilapidated work table I had here that was given to me years ago. Sort of like a portable workstation that you kind of use to cut on. It's just a flimsy thing. So I decided to make a tool cart. Very simple project, maybe give somebody some ideas. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. Well, here it is, finished project. Looks a lot better than when I got it. Basically this table had legs that went all the way to the bottom, and sort of like one of those pressed chip or particle board tops here. This metal tray I welded on. I got this from somebody years ago. I have 4 of these, so I kept them. I knew they'd come in handy, and sure enough, I took off the wood and welded this top piece on, and underneath here and as well there was wood, and obviously over the years waterlogged, and it looked sad. It was all twisted. I hammered it out the best I could to make it straight again, and that was a job in itself. And added rubber mats here, not glued, because if something spills on there I want to be able to take it off and clean it. And it's the same kind in the middle, and a thicker one for the bottom. That'll be mostly to carry probably heavier parts and stuff like that. And I welded on the handle. And now obviously you're not going to drag it around. I got wheels, swivel in the front and straight in the back. I've always wanted one, and now I got one, and I didn't have to pay $150 for it. It only costs I think $35 for the wheels altogether, and all the rest of the material I had here at the shop. So anyway, just thought I'd put it out there, maybe give somebody else an idea like I got mine. Later.